Once again, good day everyone. So, like what I've said a while ago, you will be performing the National Certificate Assessment for Food Processing Institute, wherein you will be conducting the salting, curing, and the smoking processes. So this will be our assessment area. So I'll be assigning you as candidate number 1, and you will be assigned as candidate number 2. So I have here with me the assessment instruction. So can you read the assessment instruction? Do you understand the assessment instructions?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions? You may now ask for a questions, because after the assessment, or as the assessment begins, I will no longer entertain any queries. Okay? Do you have any questions? Okay. If that's the case, so you may now begin the performing of salting process. So good luck, and you may now start. Okay, are you done?
Yes, sir.
Look, let's see. Okay. Okay, so congratulations to the both of you. So you have already performed the salting process. So you may now proceed with the curing process.
I'm done, sir.
Okay, congratulations, candidate number 1. You may now leave the assessment area, and I will call you later for the oral examination.
No, let us go.
For you, candidate number 2, you have only 5 minutes to accomplish the task. Time's up. So, I'm so sorry, candidate number 2, you did not meet all the requirements needed in this company. So, have a seat, candidate number 1 and candidate number 2.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so for candidate number 1, here is your question. So, why curing is important?
So, curing is the process of adding certain preservatives in the fish products. So, this may include soy sauce, pineapple juice, pepper, and other seasonings. So, thus, curing not just help to prolong the shelf life of fish products, but also adds additional flavor on it.
Okay, so very well said. So, congratulations. And for candidate number 2, why do you think wearing of PPE during or within the conduct of the assessment is important?
So PPE or personal protective equipment is important for us to avoid getting injuries while performing the test.
Okay, so very good. Thank you very much. So for my feedback, so I would like to congratulate candidate number 1 for performing all the tasks that this competency or qualification are required. Meanwhile, candidate number 2 does not met the requirements for this competency. But don't you worry, you will receive a COC as a recognition of your task that you have performed in this qualification, and you may also apply for reassessment if you wanted. So, congratulations again, and thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.